B-17 was a super airplane. Not for speed, certainly not for comfort. But it got you there and it got you back, which is very important. It wasn't all blood and guts, it wasn't all gory. I lost some good friends, got shot down. I'm the only one left of my crew. There is nobody left from my crew. I was pretty lucky because the first day I didn't fly with my crew, they got shot down. You get religion. My job as a armorer gunner, ball turret is a tough position. I wouldn't recommend anybody volunteering for ball turret. You figure you shoot him or he's going to shoot you, or try to. The plane I shot down, I can picture that, and I got credit for it too. When you're in actual combat, you're just focusing on the enemy. Then when you're flying in and out, you're concerned about the flak coming up. I remember on one mission, we had about 50, 60 enemy fighters coming right out of the sun at us. That part of it, I was pretty lucky. And like I told you, when my crew got shot down, I wasn't with them. Luck, right?
What do you think about luck in life?
I think it has a great deal. When you hear guys say, I should have zigged, when I zagged, I should have zigged. You know, there's a lot of truth to that.
Have you been lucky all your life?
No. And that's the funny part of it. But I was lucky there. And that's why everybody tells me, well, you had that plane, lucky me. That's what did it for you, you know. But that plane got shot down when I wasn't with it.
Maybe you were the lucky me.
Maybe it was. Very true. Maybe it was.